Good morning, children. Our today's lesson is based on job application, which is a very important letter and it frequently comes in board classes, in board paper. Here are some important points that we should remember when we write job application. The first is job application can be written in a very formal and precise manner and it should be to the point. Next is job application has two parts. One is a covering letter and the second part is called biodata to help the applicant to focus on his or her qualification and skills, and it should be written in a standardized format which I am giving you along with the sample question. This is a sample question, like suppose draft an application for the post of an accountant in Ahmedabad International School that was advertised in the Times of India on 2nd May. You are Arpit or Arpita. First, we would start it with the sender's address, then date would come, receiver's address, and this is the subject, application for the post of an accountant. In first paragraph, we mentioned that from where we came to know about this advertisement and at what date and for what post we are offering ourselves. In second paragraph, we will write about ourselves, like I have passed BCom Honours from Delhi University, securing this marks, done CA from the same university. I am young and dynamic. I have a reasonable good command over Hindi and English and possess convincing power and fine communication skills. In last paragraph, we would write about if I would be selected, I will leave no stone unturned to satisfy my authorities. Then it should be written yours faithfully because this is an application, name, and we write enclosed biodata. One thing that we should remember, it is written for chartered accountant. It happens sometime that you do not know the qualification for a particular job. So whatever you will write here, we would accept that. Our second part is called biodata, and remember biodata should always be made on a separate page, on a new page. We should not use the same page where we are ending our application, so that should be written on a new page like I have written. So here the things which are very necessary to write, like name, father name, address, date of birth, marital status, contact number, email. In date of birth you have to imagine like you are 26 or 27-year-old. So imagine that date of birth or whatever you will write, that will be accepted. In educational qualification, year, degree, school and university and the percentage, and that should be made in a box. Actually they should be in tabular form. Then job experience, that should also come in a tabular form. I will draw it later on. Name of the company, post and number of years. So this is the post name, company name and the year of experience. Then expected salary, languages known, hobbies we write, and very important part of biodata is the references. Here we write the name of the referees, and these people should not be in your blood relation. So we would write two names here. They could be either your teacher or professors of the university, or that could be your boss of the previous company. References means that wherever you are applying, they would ask about your work and about being an employee. How was your behavior? So they should have good rapport with you. So we would write here two names, like I have written first name, who is head accountant of the previous company, and phone number, and then the name of accounts professor of Delhi University and his phone number. When we would end it, we would sign it, because without sign, biodata is never been accepted by the company. So I hope you have understood this. Apart from this, you will write the sample question which I am giving you, and the code of today's class is 322. Thank you.